Hi guys, today in this video we are going to talk about this Power Varo system that can help you generate $250 or more per day on autopilot. So guys, this is opportunity for you to start making money online today. So click the link down in the description. I will take you to this opt-in page where you see here that says I want access right now. If you click here, it will take you to this page where you put your name and email address. So guys, without taking your time, let's go to my ClickFunnels account. So I will show you how it will look like and how it works. So once you purchase, you get a link that you use to download the funnel, the complete funnel into your ClickFunnels account. As you see here, this is the complete funnel. If you click here, it will take you to this place. This is the complete funnel. You can see here, this is the sale page. So let's go to the sale page. If you click here, it will take you to this very place. So let's also open it in new tab and see how it look like. So it take you to this place. This small video here will explain everything that is in this video, how things work here. So this is this sale page. You click here that says $13.7. This is the worth of the funnel. The same time you can still click here, says no thanks, I will set it up by myself. So once you click here, for example, it will take you to the free training. This is the training page. Here you watch videos how to set everything up by yourself. They have the video here. Guys, it's complete funnel, done for you funnel. This is a funnel that's already done for you. You don't need to worry yourself or think, how am I going to set this up? Here you can see the videos that teaches you how to do all the things here. This funnel has, I think, 7 affiliate programs where you can put your link and start making commission too. So guys, you don't need to leave this opportunity. It's a very wonderful opportunity. I can tell you that I have been struggling how to make money online before I came across this video. I purchased without wasting time, and I can tell you now I'm making money with this funnel. So guys, don't waste your time. From here, we get money that you take to support yourself on affiliate marketing. So guys, you don't need to waste your time. Purchase this funnel immediately and start making your own money too. If you don't want to purchase, you believe that you can do it by yourself. Here they still have videos that will show you how you do the old things and set it up by yourself. But it will take you many hours for you to set this up. So it's better that you purchase this done for you funnel and start making money online. So guys, take action immediately and start earning money online without wasting time. I do, and I can tell you today that I'm making money online with this funnel. They have many affiliate programs that that help you to start making your own commission. You don't need to worry yourself about, or you don't know how to set this up. You have all the training here, the video that will tell you what to do and how to. You don't need, what you need here is only to put your links, your affiliate links, and everything you need is here for you. It's done for you for now. Don't forget to watch this video here. Here teaches you how to set everything up in this funnel. So guys, I would advise you to click the link down in the descriptions and start making money online. So guys, see you soon.